In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Sendwave account on X. By the end, you'll have your account verified right inside the Sendwave app, so you can use it smoothly and securely. To make this easy, have your government-issued ID ready, find a well-lit spot, and make sure your connection is stable. Start by opening your Sendwave app. Log in with your account details as you normally would, and once you're in, head to your account options by tapping either the menu icon or your profile picture, usually found in the top corner. From the account options, select Verify Account. This takes you into the verification flow. You'll be asked to enter your full legal name and your date of birth. Type these exactly as they appear on your ID to avoid delays. Next, select the purpose of your account. This helps tailor your access and ensures compliance. When that's done, tap Finish and then continue to proceed to the identity check. You'll now choose your country. Make sure the country matches the issuing country of the document you plan to use. After that, select the type of document you'll use to verify your identity. Choose the document you have on hand, and that's in good condition. Tap Continue, and when prompted, tap Continue again to confirm you're ready for the capture steps. Then tap Start to begin. It's time to capture your document. Place it on a flat, contrasting background with plenty of light. Avoid glare by tilting it slightly if you see reflections, and make sure all corners and text are visible. If the app asks for both sides, capture each side clearly. Take your time. Sharp, readable images help your verification go through faster. When you're satisfied, tap Submit Photo. Next, you'll complete a quick face recording. Tap Start Recording to begin, then tap Start. Follow the on-screen cues and keep your face centered and well lit. Remove hats or glasses if requested, look straight at the camera, and hold steady. This short video helps confirm that it's really you. Wait until the recording finishes and is uploaded. Once that's done, you're all set. The verification has been submitted. The app will process everything in the background. If anything isn't clear, it may prompt you to try again, so keep your ID nearby for a moment. For best results, make sure the information you type matches your ID exactly and that your photos are bright and legible. And remember, keep your personal details private and only enter them within the app. That's the full process for verifying your Sendwave account on X. Thanks for watching and great job getting verified.